with your voluminous bosom. Faria, say dost thou remember? Faria, Faria. My cock is showing through my pants. Roll for the size of my cock. So hungry. I could eat an apple. Yummy. So thirsty. Refreshing. It only took $150, everyone. It only took $150. $150. You're on your knees. Ooh, I bend you over my knee and spank you. You lack hatred, Sasuke. And then I choked you out in the cafeteria. The new monster mommy is kind of sexy. She just kind of hot. Ah, my ass. Suck. Yeah, maybe I did kill Sonic.